Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is our day 46 of 365 days of coding, and today we're gonna solve another problem where we basically need to reverse an array. So same thing, we have a root over here that we are given an array of integers and we need to print the array in the reverse order. Okay, so now let's see what we gonna do here. So let's say this is our array, right? So let's paste it here so we will understand better. So this is our array, and what exactly we need to do here is we need to print it in reverse order. Okay, so let's say this is our array. So what will be the reverse become? So this 80, which is the last index, will become the first. So 80 come here, then 40 come here, then 50 come here, and finally 10. So we have reversed this array to this, and if you see the output, same output we need to print. Now one catch here is that the size of that array, that is 4, is also given in the array, so it is included in this array. Same you can see in this input 1, so 5 is the size which is included with this array. So we need to write a code such that we can take this size as well as array, and then we can ignore the size and reverse the array and print only the array, not the size. So let's write the code. So before that, let's see how we gonna solve this problem. So we'll ask the user for the size of the array and different elements of that array. Now we will store the element in that array and size differently, and then we will start a loop from the last element to the first element of that array. So basically the loop is starting from the back side instead of from the zeroth element. We will start from n-1, right? And finally we will print the element while running the loop. Okay, so let's write this code so it will be better to understand. Okay, so we have wrote the code. So basically what we are doing, we have write this n to take the size of that array, then we have defined our array, then we are basically what we are doing here, we are doing the unpacking of the array and the size which user given to us, and so this size will store inside this n and the rest of the array will be stored inside this array, right? And then we are iterating this array from the last element one by one, and from the last element we are printing each element one by one separated by this space. Okay, so let's run this and see if it is working or not. So this is our input. Let's copy this, paste it here, and see it is giving us the correct result, 54321, 54321. Let's give it the another input, run it again, give it another input and run it again. So it is giving us 80, 40, 50 and 10, which is correct. Now so if you do not want to do this much stuff, so what you can do, you can directly use the reverse function in Python. So by that as well you can easily reverse the array. So to speeden up things, you can use that function. So let's write our code for that as well. Okay, so we have wrote our code. So we are doing the same thing, taking the size and the array from the user and then separating them, and then we have used this reversed function which is natively supported by this array, and we are passing this array to this function, and now we are printing this output. Okay, so let's run this and see how it works. So if I give it this array, so it is giving us the correct result, 80, 40, 50 and 10. And if we provided the first one, let's give it this one, and it is giving 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is correct. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Python programming content. See you in the next video.